Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Take It, your boy Lucky, and today we're gonna check out the iPhone 11 Pro in gold. If you haven't seen my Max video, make sure you check out the link in the description. But today we're gonna check out the standard. So that's the Pro in the gold color. It comes in gold, space gray, white, and a new midnight green. But I've opted for the gold color here. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Hey guys, so this is the box itself. As you know, we're getting this black boxes for the Pro version, where the standard comes in white. But yeah, as you can see, this is the Max, but this is the standard 11 Pro in gold color. Got my previous one here, and we've got the red one as well. But yeah, let's open this up. Let's take the box up. And there is the new color, gold. Ooh. As you can see, it's a different gold there. It's got this matte frost finish with the glossy bits here. You've got your new camera features here, your free cameras, wide, ultra wide, and your telephoto, which we'll look in later, guys. But yeah, let's just put the phone to the side here. So yeah, let's see what we have inside. We've got a little design by Apple in California. We've got some documentaries here, some symbol setups, and your SIM tray. And Apple stickers, no colored one. Would have been really nice if Apple started making color Apple stickers. Just really nice getting matching stickers to your phone. But yeah, and here is one of the new features, your fast charging. So this is an 18-watt charger now from Lightning to USB-C. Not C to C, but C to Lightning, which is really nice. So you'll be getting full charging under 2 hours, and I think it's up to 60% in like 45 minutes, which is really nice. Really great. We've got standard Lightning earbuds here, nothing changed there, and your new cable. So that is Lightning to Type C, which is really nice. But yeah, let's just put all that to the side. Yeah guys, let's have a look at the phones next to each other. It's a different gold. As you can see, this is a more matte finish, but this is a glossy one. But I actually like it. It's much cleaner. We don't have any iPhone here, but we still got that detail there. But the Apple logo is in the middle, as you can see, which is really nice. Let's just put that phone to the side. Just, it looks nice. I'm digging this gold now. It's much cleaner, and I don't know, I like it more than the glossy bit. Actually say that. I'm actually disappointed it was not glossy, but this matte finish looks really nice. The camera cutout is still glossy. You've got your free cameras there, so your tele, your wide, your ultra wide with the flash. Let's just peel this front bit off. Well, yeah guys, I do think it is heavier. It's actually heavier. It does say it's heavier, but feeling it does feel heavier a bit. I have to say that you can actually feel the weight difference with the bigger battery, but you're getting 5 hours more, 4 hours more, which is amazing, guys. You really can't complain here. 4 more hours than my previous iPhone, which is amazing. But yeah guys, this is the phone. It looks amazing. Just look at that. That is stunning. It's beautiful. So yeah guys, as you can see, the new gold color is different to last year's. It's got this frosted matte finish, which looks really nice. Last year was more glossy finish, but this year's it's really different and it looks nice, and I'm digging it. But yeah guys, let me know what you want me to do, some comparisons, some camera tests. Let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to get those done. If you haven't watched my iPhone 11 Max unboxing, check out the link in the description. But as always, thank you for watching the video guys. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one guys. Take care.